So I read somewhere where Pt.6 Online might come out a month after GTA 6 comes out, like the Spring Boom. But when I look up AI overview, says while an exact date for GTA 6 Online isn't set, it's expected to launch sometime after the main game, which will release on GTA 6 Online. What game makes you fart? Which releases on November 19th. Well, no fucking shit. Thank you. Likely PC with likely with the PC version, or a few months later, similar to past Rockstar titles, as they focus on story mode. First, Rockstar usually keeps the original GTA Online running along. Fucking clue. I think I saw this. I saw on like a Facebook account named bring it up. Um, um, it was called Reckless Outlaw. That's what I found. That's where I found that that. So yeah, that's not fucking. That can't be real. Dude, like, what's delayed again and gets pushed back to 2028? Dude, that's gonna pay. That's gonna pay. Oh wow, which was like what 11 years ago? Yeah, that'll be nice. What about like 2022? What if they drop it in 2007? What if they dropped it in 1705? What if they dropped it in 3000 BC? Oh man, we have to go to Uranus and get it. I don't know. Probably a flashback. Yeah, North Yankton. At the end, help me get it out. Alright, alright, what else should I say then? They'll get the... Yeah, I was listening to. No one's gonna respond to what I just said. Like, what about the end? Like, and like at the end, Lucia finds out that Jason's like, uh, he can't be is he a cop? Like, I can't tell. Or is he in like an undercover? Well, it says military. Well, Jason, it says here Jason was in the military. Jason's army background. Jason's army background makes a transition to law enforcement plausible. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I just said, I looked up what will the first mission be? GTA 6 says, well, this is AI overview. Google. While not officially confirmed, rumors and leaked footage suggest the first mission in GTA 6 involves Lucia and Jason robbing a diner. As a tutorial, but basic mechanics like robbing stores and escaping police with potential for prologue featuring Lucia's backstory leading to her imprisonment before the main story begins with Jason in the present day. This opening would establish their Bonnie and Clyde dynamic, introducing gameplay elements before a potential prison break. Yeah, they got ambushed and shot by cops. Okay, so you really think that? Wait, who? Where do you read that GTA 6 is like a? I want to, if they push it back, I want to say it's gonna be like somewhere in the spring. Like it could be a fucking time. This fucking shit. Get something. Well, I'm actually wiggling mine around right now. No, I'm kidding.
Another disturbance was reported at the abandoned slaughterhouse outside of Hills Prairie. Deputies responded to a caller reporting loud noises from the dilapidated
You need to read
facility
somewhere where
after midnight.
this
Police
is like
investigated
a
the
meal,
site and
like a
found
real life
evidence
thing.
of
Like if
trespassing and minor equipment theft.
let's just say, like let's say people in GTA 6 on social media, like are looking for like a red like car from like a previous robbery, and you're and Lucia and or I'm in the West still. I'm in the pussy cell, the woman cell.
What happened? Where am I? What's that over there?
I'm in the motherfucker. I heard it takes Leatherface a chainsaw.
This could be my way out.
I hear pussy face out there. I hear pussy faces out there. Shit. Cody. Hey, the Leatherface is near me. Oh my god.
Looks familiar. Use this.
Oh man, I'm on the field. Oh bitch. Here's someone's ass crack. Yeah, right here.
Maria? Maria! You're alive! Oh my god!
I can use this.
We have to get out of
Doing the
here.
lockbox. Just one other fucking question, like, why is,
What's this?
Maria. How's Maria still fucking alive? But, like, Trap 2.
Wait. I should open that door.
I'm gonna store this. Oh my god, Maria, like,
Madre de Dios.
Jesus fucking
Please,
Christ. Like, calm the fuck
protect
down. Like,
us.
you're the fucking fat ass of the thing.
Please.
And has to go always first. Fucking bitch. Just hope no one saw that. Maybe they'll think it's like a fucking fly or something. Like, Maria's gonna fucking ruin the whole game. Like, she's gonna make a whole bunch of noise and shit.
Oh my god. Oh, you're hurt so bad. Come on. Let's go. Everyone
For
is
you.
here looking for you. We can make it.
Like, Maria's like a fucking fat ass at the buffet that always has to go first. Do you think Darby can get through this?
I'm so sorry.
Where? Oh. Baby. Oh. We fighting left and right, but not like not. Shit. Oh damn, bro. Hey, gotta keep still. Corvin's, dude, it's fucking Maria that has to make so much noise. It's just give away everything, dude.
How do we get out of here? Think.
Leland's Butler. I'm already at the exit. I can't force the exit. Bitch, get the fuck out of here. I went through a well. I wasn't in the other face from Johnny. Yeah, I went out because other face from Johnny are near the exit. I was able to. Johnny sliced me late. Just heard your ass.
Thank you. There's gotta be something I can use around here.
Alright, dude. Lizard Dick was executed.
Might be safe now.
Lizard Dick. Yeah, lizard underscore dark. Lizard Dick. Hey, don't move. I thought I get free chances. I get free chances. I get free ass.
He left. Finally. I hope the others are okay.
Seems safe. Enough.
When we're just here. Hey, don't move. Like I'm stepping on wet shit. Oh, well, they're reported.
Are they really gone?
It's too quiet.
Where are you? Oh. my eyes are slanted. They're slightly. Well, I got a white shirt on. White shirt on with the black controller. The rest of everything that's like, are you saying a white t-shirt is racist? Or wearing white is racist? I mean, if I wore a white shirt, maybe Leatherface would get blind. It's fine. They're probably out by the fucking exit, burning the exit.
This should help the pain.
Hey man, like, eat the hog, everything. Because like, I'm on fucking orange right now. I need to be on full green right now. Don't move.
Gonna peter out soon.
They're everywhere.
He's gotta help.
How did he not see me? That's the part I meant. That doesn't make no sense.
Finally, they left. I need to find
Apparently
the
he got.
others.
Only some placed me one time. But don't move. Oh fuck.
Okay, Anna, you can do this.
Oh, is that? Yeah, the exit, but then I fell through the well because I heard Leatherface and the hitchhiker at the same time. Yeah, I think they were fucking. But yeah, I just went away. Hey, are you recording now? I'm not supposed to say anything.
This is...
They're gone.
I heard your ass.
This place.
Now, we're gonna get caught anyways. What the fuck is wrong with you? Shit! Yo, I heard Johnny. Fuck. Right here. Shit!
I have to stop the bleeding.
Grandpa's gonna love. Everywhere I turn, there they are. Don't worry. I'll find you.
Shut that door. Gotta move. Fuck, man. Go on.
Okay. Finally. They're gone.
No one touch my hot dog. He's gonna kill me. I think I took his. I think I took his dildo away. Good at 7 on 9. That's dick. What? What are you listening to? What are you listening to? You sound like an ultra ass grab now. Alright, thank you. He's spazzing.
That shit on the toilet. Got going on. Hey, yo, we got my heel in place today. Now, I'm the recent at the doctor's office. Coming in today. Taking some messages. Okay.
Wait, hold on. Did I send this to you? Oh, I'm sending you this right now. Did I send this to you? She got tired from typing. What the fuck?
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search in the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown. Family and friends are urging anyone within the
Typing. Like, that just sets offenses to fat people.
What happened?
Funny.
Where am I? Please let this stuff be safe. Can I get through there?
You know, they're cheating, I swear to you. Oh, you're fucking these are fucking cheaters, dude. That shouldn't count. You just like, you closed my ass. Right, that's fucking cheating, dude. Like, there's no way you could have found me. You could have found me that fucking fast. But
I should see what that is.
I stepped on a fucking like a stick dick. So their faces right there, right there, right there. Tony stuff, man. It's just, oh wait, never mind. I thought you would fucking die.
I wonder where this goes. Oh, yes. This should help the pain.
Did I send you that? The one with the guitar without type, with just for typing? No, I guess when I sent you that before. No, from before. No, like, I could have sworn I sent that to you before.
Please fit in that
About
book.
like before,
Please.
like in the past, like last month or so.
Here. Stay calm. the hell? What's
Jerking
that
off
over
at the
there?
same time.
This might stop the bleeding.
Yeah, that was close.
There's gotta be something I can use around here.
Oh, Tanya's trying to escape.
Yes, yes. Thank you, God. I'm okay. I'm okay. They're gone.
Ugh. Oh, Tanya's trying to escape. He's escaping.
Did I lose them? Please, God, let them be gone.
The fuck is Connie doing? Dude, like, they're into coming. No one's coming for your ass. Just escape. Go. Now, Connie's by she's at the exit waiting for Leatherface to, like,
Looks like some kind of
waiting
lockpick.
for Leatherface to come and get her.
God.
Dude, is that what fucking happened? Like, in real life, like.
Wait, what's that?
Sounds like Leland's getting fucked. All you gotta do is go over there and unlock it. It's got haul ass. I have to just turn it back on.
You can do this. Think.
There ain't no time to fuck. She went through the at the door near the well. Like, yeah.
What is this?
I don't know, Anna. Why don't you fucking tell me what it is? You probably think you're downstairs still, like underground still. Yeah, you see that crate there. You gotta turn left. Go left again. Then go left again. What I gotta do is call an airstrike. I think they turned on the... They just turned it back on. Got about to do this shit quick.
Oh my God! I have to find help!
Smash or no. That's what shows at 16% to 722. I guess you're not, because so I'm gonna keep it nice and steady. Anyway. Really? E13 is gaslighting my boss.
You looked at that. That is enough. Then last time, don't even flinch. Above, don't scream, none. I need a smoke here on my chest light. I got that handy one before I lay
The
out right
fuck
here.
is he? What the hell is he doing?
Don't even flinch.
Oh, that's just...
What's the matter with him? Why did he chuck my wiener? You're alive over down.
Yeah, I've heard that one before.
Be right there, will you? Yeah, how can I do?
I've heard that before.
I can't move! Get me out of here! Hurry up! I'm starving!
Oh, that was the other video.
Oh, that's not funny! I'm gonna sue all of you! You hear me? I can't!
Hurry up, I'm starving! Hold on, this one.
Now, I'm the receptionist at a doctor's
Yeah,
office.
this one.
Coming in today to answer messages. Now, I'm the receptionist at a doctor's office. Coming in today
Did you hear this one?
to answer messages. Okay. Now, I'm the receptionist at a doctor's office. Coming in today to answer messages. Now,
Her fingers are getting the most workout at the point that is when she is tired just by typing. At this point, the breathing itself makes her lose her breath.
to answer messages.
At this point, just take one last breath. Rest in peace.
At a doctor's office. Coming in today
Stay in that cardio.
to answer messages.
Fuck. Who gets tired of typing? Okay. Oh, it's...
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas
What?
student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the
I'm just getting tired from they're getting one step in.
Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding the
Freaking's tired just from taking a drink. So why am I in the West Cell? It's the third time I've been in the West Cell. So apparently the West Cell is first because the last time I did that I got killed.
Oh, God.
No shit, Wyatt. Thank you.
I wonder where this goes.
What?
This might fit in the door.
Shit. Dude, I already got fucking, I already fucking, fuck. Bruh, like that's fucking cheating, dude. Leatherface got me again, dude. Like, doesn't fucking count. You're cheating, dude.
This looks like some kind of lockpick. Thank God.
Wait, how do I go to chat? Dude, these are the same fucking people from last game.
Okay, stay calm. You can
We have
use
Bane
this.
Hunter and we got Chaser 69. Dude, West Cell is actually cursed. The West Cells. So where does chat at? How do I go to chat? Where's list options? You know. Oh, Leland's fucking dead because his dumbass decided to stay behind. Never mind, he just stunned Leatherface. Where's Leatherface? Leland's not through there. He's through somewhere else. Straight from the rock.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, Leland's dead. Huh? Leland just died. What? What? These are a whole bunch of fucking shooters, dude. Like, no way, Leatherface found me that quick. Yeah, try a different door. Okay, a different. Yeah, she barely can smell your fart from here.
I should see what that is.
What?
There's gotta be something I can use around here.
Oh my God, I gotta go. You're gonna look at me. Tell them where the nearest diner is. Wait, did he see you? Oh, yep, he saw you. He saw you. No, we'll play next. We'll play next. 7:34.